this is Jackson from Weahter Jackson, and it was really raining really hard. It was raining really hard, as you can see. It was raining really hard. It's raining really hard. Sorry, this is chair. And there's right going through our canal. Man, you know what? This is an episode. This is Weahter Jackson, Tropical Storm Andrea. Does it look like it? No. Is it out of the boundaries? Yes. Of course.
Well,
wind's coming.
It is coming up. And the pool should overflow.
Yeah, maybe. We finally got our episode, Tropical Storm Andrea. Even though it doesn't look like much, you see the rain and there's a little bit of wind.
Look at the clouds, they're kind of dark. That might be the out of boundaries.
Yes. Oh, look over there. The top of them.
Huh?
Top of them, you see a little tree growing on top of them.
Might be in the out of boundaries.
They are in the out of boundaries. You can see not much wind.
Geez, it's a rainy day.
It's rainy. Yeah, it's rainy.
Also, we have a tornado warning.
Yeah. Okay, we have rain and wind, and look at the sky.
It might be near. See?
And look at the sky.
It's not that tall.
Alright, folks, this is part 1 of Tropical